Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd just take the time to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hopefully your 2020 hasn't been too bad and your trading's been on track, but here's hoping for a better 2021 for everyone. So this year I just wanted to talk about a new tool that's coming out very soon. It's basically called the fwFX Trading Assistant, and it's everything that the No Nonsense Forex Trading Assistant isn't. So things that it can't do, this can do. And the reason that I've done this is because there's a lot of people, newer traders coming into No Nonsense Forex, and expert advisors can be pretty tricky, and there's a lot of settings involved with it. And it's a bit difficult. So we've trimmed down the NNFX Trade Assistant to just have what you need to trade in No Nonsense Forex. But if you want to trade other things, or you've got different strategies that you're doing, this bad boy will really get you where you need to go. So as an example, you can see here there's a lot of things that the new tool can do that the old tool couldn't do, and I'll give you a bit of an example on that right now. So if we have a look at the new tool, you can set a variety of colors and themes. They're fully customizable to whatever you want them to be. So if you want different colors, or if I set up activate a different theme here, we can say, well, we want a pink theme. Bang, it'll change it to pink for you. Or any color that you want, you can fully tweak the colors however you want them to be. If I say, oh well, I want to use theme 3, bang, and it'll change it. So it's got a lot of customization in there for that kind of thing, but really that's not where the power of this is, and I'm about to show that to you now. So let's have a quick look. So first of all, we've got risk by dollar amount here. So basically what that means is if I only want to risk say $50, then I can put that in here and I can set a buy, and if we have a look here at our stop loss, it's around 50. It's close. It's hard to get it exactly the same. There's currency conversions going in and base currency accounts, things like that. But it does its best to get it pretty close to that. So you know that you're only going to risk X dollar amount. And that works if you're doing split risk. It will split the dollar amount between two trades. So that's a pretty cool feature that we've never had before. But something else here that is really new, and I'm hoping is going to benefit a lot of people, is this pending order panel. So I can set a distance, let's say 30 pips, and I want to sell above. So what that means is if there's a pullback here, it's going to come up here and then it'll sell and move back down into the trade. Now this is good for people that are doing some slightly different strategies. If it's not quite where you want, you can drag it and set it to where you want it to be based on previous highs and things like that. So it allows you to set all 4 different pending types. We've simplified it by buy above, sell above, buy below, sell below. We're talking about the current price here. So and then you can close all the pending orders from there as well. You can close that panel as well. So I hope that's been a bit of a preview for you. I mean, there's plenty of things this can do. I don't really have the time to go through it all. You can change where you want it to be in terms of on the chart. You can change just about anything with this. It's fully customizable, but as you can see, there's a lot of settings in here, so you need to get your head around that as well, and that's what we're trying to avoid for newer traders. It's difficult for them to understand that. As well, it has all the stop loss and take profit settings and things here that you can do for all the different trades. You can set a pip distance, ATR distance, dollar amounts for all your different trade types, all your customizable colors, position settings, dollar values. You can do the pending order panel, all that kind of stuff. So it's a pretty neat tool, and it's basically the next level tool that I'm going to be working with mostly through 2021, and I'm hoping it will be released sometime in January, pretty soon. We've got a couple of guys playing with it at the moment. Seems to be doing fairly well. I haven't had any problems with it. So yeah, it's a nice little tool. So hopefully it gives you guys a bit of an idea of where we're heading with some development this year, and you know, this will be available on the website soon, so I'll be sure to let you know when it's up and running. Other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. Hasn't been any real new updates for the No Nonsense Forex Trade Assistant. I think we've pretty much rounded that out to what it's going to be now, unless you know there's some suggestions that really fit the No Nonsense Forex market, and then you know of course we'll add them in. But people just asking for random things in there, no, we're not going to do that. It's going to remain a simplified tool for No Nonsense Forex, and everything outside of that we're going to use the fwFX tool, which is this one here. So that is it for now. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what's happening in 2021, and I will catch you again soon. Cheers.